of people keep asking us, how did you start the MVP.in? Why did you start the MVP.in? Actually, काफी सारे answers है. So let's begin with number 1. Because there's absolutely no advice you get when you go to buy high-end hardware. मतलब नहीं मिलता है आपको advice. They are not bothered. People you go to buy these things, they're not bothered to give you advice that you really need आपके use case के हिसाब से. That brings us to our second point. Absolutely no one is bothered about your use case. In general, everybody is interested in selling their current stock. Can't blame them because they stock wrongly. Also, because number 3, current service levels by even big name brands absolutely suck. मतलब mic drop है इसमें, बकवास है. In the comments, do share your own experiences with the so-called big name brands and how that has been. Contrary to that, we have a 2 years Doorstep warranty in all metro cities, expanding to other cities very slowly. Number 4, because pre-builds across categories, gaming हो गया, workstation हो गया, even servers are number 1, overpriced. Number 2, underspec. And number 3, not even current gen. I say overpriced because we are definitely cheaper spec for spec. Also, these pre-builds offered by these brands are underspec in the sense आपके use case के हिसाब से it may not match. Because let's keep in mind, a custom computer is custom. It's built for you, for your use case. One size never ever fits all. It cannot fit all. And when I say not even current gen, correct है. If अगर आप देखोगे, there's probably no brand out there, big name brand, which is actually selling a 12 gen processor, 2900K. वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. So that leaves you, if you want to buy a current gen hardware, you actually have to go for a custom build. And finally, सबसे बड़ा because या सबसे बड़ा reason, we absolutely love hardware. मतलब मुझे actually सपने आते हैं अच्छे hardware के. And here we are 7 years later, sitting in the largest fulfillment center of its kind for custom PCs, shipping in over 200 cities with honest to God service performance and over 800 plus amazing reviews from all of you. Thank you for all your love and all your support. Keep supporting us. Also, you need to start supporting our YouTube channel also. We make good content which is not shared enough or watched enough. So do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.